7 powerful exercises to burn belly fat fast for men, build a stronger core, and get real results. Exercise 1. Weighted Russian Twist. This exercise is one of the most effective oblique builders, targeting the obliques and deep core rotators while also engaging the hip flexors for stability. It builds rotational strength, carves out your waistline, and burns calories through constant core tension. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your heels slightly off the ground, holding a dumbbell or weight plate with both hands. Lean back slightly to engage your core, then rotate the weight from one side of your body to the other, tapping it near the floor each time. Keep your chest up and move with control rather than speed. Exercise 2. Hanging leg raise. This is one of the best exercises for targeting the lower abs, which are typically the hardest area to engage and the last to show definition. It also strengthens your grip and shoulder stability. Hang from a pull-up bar with your arms fully extended and your core braced. Keeping your legs straight or slightly bent, raise them up toward your chest using your lower abs, not momentum. Slowly lower back down with control. This builds serious lower ab strength and is one of the most impactful exercises for a defined midsection. Exercise 3. Weighted plank with shoulder tap. This exercise targets your entire core, including the obliques, transverse abdominis, and stabilizer muscles, while also building shoulder and upper body endurance. Get into a high plank position with a weight plate resting on your lower back for added resistance. Keeping your hips level and core tight, tap your opposite hand to your opposite shoulder, alternating sides without letting your hips rotate or sag. This builds anti-rotation core strength, which is key for both fat loss and functional power. Exercise 4. Cable woodchopper. This is a powerful rotational exercise that targets the obliques and core through a full range of motion, mimicking real athletic movement patterns. It builds explosive core strength and torches calories due to the full body engagement involved. Stand sideways to a cable machine with the pulley set high. Grab the handle with both hands and pull it diagonally across your body from high to low, rotating through your core and hips. Return to the starting position with control, complete your reps, then switch sides. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. This is a high-intensity, full-body exercise that targets your core, especially the lower abs, while also elevating your heart rate to maximize calorie and fat burn. It builds cardiovascular endurance alongside core strength. Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your core engaged. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion while keeping your hips low and stable. Maintain a fast, controlled pace and keep your core braced throughout. Exercise 6. Weighted decline sit-up. This exercise targets the entire rectus abdominis with a deeper range of motion than a standard sit-up, while the added resistance accelerates muscle definition and strength. Lie back on a decline bench with your feet secured and hold a weight plate against your chest. Curl your torso up using your abs, exhaling as you rise, then lower back down slowly under control. This builds a thicker, stronger six-pack rather than just burning fat. Exercise 7. Farmer's carry. This is an underrated full-body exercise that builds core stability, grip strength, and burns a significant number of calories due to the heavy loading and constant tension across your entire midsection. Hold a heavy dumbbell or kettlebell in each hand at your sides, stand tall with your shoulders back and core braced, then walk forward for a set distance or time while resisting any side-to-side sway. This builds functional strength and torches fat through total body engagement.